Today, we'll be making a tasty deep dish pizza. Our dough and sauce is made from scratch, and in the description we will share these 2 recipes with you so you can make them yourself. Be sure to leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe if you would like to join us for our weekly videos. So let's get started. We start with our pre-made dough and roll it out flat. We want to be sure it's large enough so that it covers the bottom and sides of the pan. We are using a 13-inch cast iron pan. After rolling out the dough, we prepare the pan for the crust. Brush the pan with olive oil and be sure to brush the sides as well. Next, sprinkle with cornmeal. Cornmeal has a distinctive taste and texture. It pairs perfectly to help prevent dough from sticking. Now it's time to place the dough in the pan. An easy way to do this is to roll the dough up with a rolling pin and roll it onto the pan. Fold over excess from sides to shape edges of pizza. Preheat the oven at 425 degrees to pre-cook the crust. While the oven is heating, we prepare the toppings. So here's where you can have some fun. We decided to go with 1/2 pepperoni and mushroom and 1/2 sausage and bell pepper. Having tried various combinations, we have found this to be one of our favorites. Our pepperoni is pre-sliced and sausage is ready to go. Slice the mozzarella cheese unless you go with the pre-sliced. After preparing the toppings and cheese, place the dough in the oven at 425 degrees for 5 minutes. Remove the pan from the oven and sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese. If you are not a Parmesan cheese fan, feel free to leave this step out. Next, spoon in the pizza sauce to cover the bottom. Here, you can add the amount of sauce desired. We tend to go a bit heavier on the sauce as we like it. Next, add a layer of sliced mozzarella. Do your best to cover the pizza sauce. Go ahead and add your toppings. Then top with grated mozzarella cheese. Prior to putting in the oven, brush edges of the dough with olive oil and lightly sprinkle with a bit of salt. This adds nice flavor to the thicker crust edges. Place in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 425 degrees. Cooking time will depend upon your oven. If you find that the crust and or cheese is beginning to brown quickly and the inside is not bubbly yet, you can place foil over the top to slow the browning process, allowing the inside to heat up. Once ready, remove from the oven and allow time to cool. By now, the kitchen smells delicious and you can't wait to cut into it. We get the Parmesan cheese and red pepper flakes ready to sprinkle on top. This pizza can be a lot of fun to make and we hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Thanks for joining us and see you next time.